Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to change your email address in Asana, whether you're updating your contact info, switching jobs, or just tidying up your digital accounts. You'll know every step to getting it done smoothly by the end of this video. Let's jump straight in. First, head to the top right corner of the Asana interface. That's where your profile picture or maybe just your initials will be showing. Clicking on this isn't just about seeing your profile, it's the gateway to all of your account-specific settings. Take a moment to locate it. If you're using Asana in a browser, it should be easy to spot. Once you've clicked it, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From here, look for the option labeled My Settings. Go ahead and select that. This section houses everything that affects your personal experience on Asana. Your notifications, profile details, and most importantly for today, your email addresses. Just a quick note, if you use Asana with a team, these are your individual settings, so you're not changing anything for anyone else. Now, inside My Settings, find and click on the Email tab. This is usually nestled among the other tabs for general settings, notifications, and apps. The Email tab is where you manage how Asana reaches you. So, changing your email here affects where you'll get project updates, login alerts, and team messages. To add a new email address, look for a button or link that says something like Add New Email, or just Add. Click that, and a field will pop up for you to enter your new email address. Type carefully. Getting even a single character wrong could mean missing out on important notifications later. After you've entered your new email, simply hit Add or Save. Don't worry if it takes a moment for the confirmation message to pop up. Sometimes the Asana needs to sync behind the scenes. Right away, Asana will send a verification email to the new address you just entered. At this step, you'll want to pause and head over to your email inbox for your new address. Look for an email from Asana. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folders, as automated emails sometimes get filtered out. Once you find the verification message, open it up and click the link inside to confirm that you really own the address. This step is vital. Think of it as claiming the keys to a new mailbox. Once you've verified your new email, return to the Email tab in Asana's My Settings. Now, you should see both your old and your new email listed. If you want Asana notifications and login prompts to go to your new address, select it as your primary email. This is like telling Asana, this is the main way to reach me from now on. A quick click or selection will update your account and you're all set. And if you're done with your old email or just want to keep things tidy, you can remove your previous address from your account. There's usually a small remove or delete option next to each listed email. Don't worry, Asana will always make sure you have at least one verified email connected before you remove any, so you won't risk losing access accidentally. That's it. You've successfully changed your email address in Asana. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any snags. And if you want more clear, practical guides for your favorite productivity tools, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.